In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Zoom to Freshsales Crm. Linking these two tools helps you manage meetings and keep your schedule connected to your customer information. If you already have Zoom set up and you use Freshsales regularly, this integration can save time and reduce missed details when you plan or record meetings. To begin, log into your Freshsales account. Make sure you are using the same browser where you normally manage your CRM so that everything loads correctly. Once you are on the Freshsales home screen or dashboard, take a moment to confirm you are logged in successfully. You want to see your usual workspace before you continue, because the next options depend on being in your account settings. Next, click your profile icon and select Personal Settings. The profile icon is usually located in the top corner of the screen, near your name or account image. When you select Personal Settings, you will be taken to the area where Freshsales controls account preferences. This is the section where integrations and communication-related configurations are often managed, so this step is important for finding the correct tab for your calendar and conferencing options. After you open Personal Settings, go to the Calendar and Conferencing tab. This tab is where Freshsales connects calendar features with conferencing tools. You are looking for the part of Freshsales that specifically handles scheduling and meeting connections, rather than general profile preferences. Take a moment to scan the tabs and make sure you are in Calendar and Conferencing, because that is where the Zoom connection setting appears. Now, click Zoom to start the integration. This tells Freshsales that you want to connect your Zoom account. On the Zoom connection area, you should see options to connect or authorize. At this point, Freshsales will guide you through linking your Zoom to the CRM, so your meetings can sync properly. When prompted, connect your Zoom account and sign in. You will typically be redirected to the Zoom sign-in page. Enter your Zoom login details and complete the sign-in process. Since you are authorizing access for an integration, only sign in if you are confident it is your correct Zoom account. This step establishes the connection that allows Freshsales to use Zoom for conferencing, scheduling, and related meeting features. After signing in, grant the requested permissions. Freshsales will ask for access so it can read or manage the conferencing setup needed for synchronization. The exact wording can vary, but the goal is to allow the integration to perform the actions required for meeting connectivity. Review what you are granting, then confirm or allow the permissions when you are ready. This permission step is what lets Freshsales communicate with Zoom in a secure and approved way. Once permissions are granted, configure your sync settings and click Save. In the Sync Settings area, you can choose how Freshsales should handle the connection between your CRM calendar items and Zoom. Adjust the options based on how you want meetings to appear and how you want synchronization to work. Then click Save to finalize the setup. Saving is the step that makes the configuration active, so take a moment to confirm the screen indicates that your changes were saved successfully, and that covers everything you need to know. You have now linked Zoom to Freshsales Crm, so your conferencing setup can work smoothly within your customer and scheduling workflow, and that is all there is to it.